Today, you will learn the top 10 health benefits of rose tea. Number 1 is boosting the immune system. Rose tea has been scientifically proven to boost the immune system through fighting and even killing various harmful bacteria. Number 2, promoting weight loss. Overweight individuals can benefit from drinking a cup of the herbal remedy twice daily. This is because rose tea is a natural zero-calorie drink. Number 3, the benefits of rose tea for your skin. The natural herbal remedy is an anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and has antiseptic properties, all of which makes rose tea an ideal natural, safe home cure for skin disorders. Number 4, preventing cancer. Rose tea is also very rich in powerful antioxidants called catechin polyphenols. One particular catechin, known as EGCG, has been scientifically proven to induce the death of cancer cells. Number 5, alleviating inflammation. The potent herb has been discovered to contain anti-inflammatory compounds that can be used to alleviate multiple conditions, especially arthritis. Number 6, improving the digestive system. The organic acids found in rose tea have been proven to boost the body's digestive power. Number 7, alleviating common menstrual symptoms. Rosebud tea has been widely used around the world to alleviate common menstrual symptoms, especially painful cramping. Number 8, detoxification. Drinking rose tea is an effective way of removing toxins from the urinary tract and kidneys. Number 9, relieving stress. Drinking rose tea regularly, you are less likely to suffer from all types of nervous system issues like insomnia, anxiety and depression. Number 10, alleviating respiratory issues. Rosebud tea can be used to combat harmful germs and viruses that cause flu and colds thanks to its high levels of vitamin C.